Hey guys, Jay from RS Garage. Today I'm down at Turbo People. Gonna tune this little 1973 Porsche 911. It's got a MoTeC ECU and a Stoker engine with a set of those heads from Billet Extreme. So it should be a pretty good running little car. Little being because this is back in the era that 911s were both small and lightweight. So we'll give it a whirl and see how it goes.
The seats are really cool.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. Oh, the car's cool.
Yeah. Not as cool as an RY45 and a 65.
Jesus Christ, Joe. That was pretty easy and fun work. The MoTeC dialed in fairly quickly. It's an ITB or individual throttle body engine, so there's a little bit of, if you guys have worked on ITB engines before, small amounts of blade angle at low engine speed equal large amounts of airflow change at the engine. So that's probably the most delicate part of the tuning. The car is equipped with an intake flapper and an exhaust flapper. We played with both. Opening the exhaust flapper just caused the engine to lose power everywhere, so we will leave that shut. Really neat little car. Quite a bit of time and money into the car. It presents very well in person. Hats off to the guys that built the car. And at 315 wheel is pretty cool considering the car would have made around 140 in its as delivered state. So I'm sure it will be pretty fun to motor around in. And I don't know that you'll be getting coffee in it because it doesn't have any cup holders, but pretty cool car nonetheless. Thanks and see you next time.